Hit it. Oh,
oil first. Here's Dalton trying to make popcorn for the first time.
Oh, for the first time?
Of the new popcorn maker.
Yeah, with the new popcorn maker.
1 tablespoon of oil goes in. And then it said immediately put in the kernels. Let's see how fast Dalton can get the kernels
This
in there.
Is immediately.
And close the door so it doesn't come popping out all over his head.
That's immediate.
Now he's just waiting for the popcorn. And he's waiting. And he's waiting. Do 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 do. It says it's going to take 2 minutes, so this is going to be a long video. Now would be the time to go to the bathroom if you have to take a break.
No, this is too exciting.
Now he's going to read the directions to make sure it's really 2 minutes.
Baby, we're going to have to go to Fry's, and this will not last the entire weekend.
As I thought. Even though he has a whole bottle of more popcorn in there.
Where?
In the pantry. Now he's going to go to the pantry because he doesn't believe me. Oh my God, Nancy's right. There's a whole bottle of popcorn. This is special popcorn.
This might last through tomorrow. Possibility it won't. Okay.
And we have to go to Fry's. And we have to buy the popcorn.
I'm starting to smell it.
And he's starting to smell now.
Oh, you hear it? Watch. We got movement. Come on now.
Of course, anyone that's ever been to a movie theater has already seen this numerous times.
I'm in the back of the line when they make these.
He's in the back of the line and gets stale popcorn.
Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, oh, we got movement. Don't be shy. Come on out, every one of you. Don't be shy. There we go. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, still
You can't open the door.
We're going to have to make up another batch. You know what this goes good with, baby? Beer. Let's get it a little cooler. This is good. All the oil's gone too. It's barely